I don't really have a plan today. I just have a bunch of random projects I'm gonna get done. Good morning, by the way. I was staring at my kitchen and I think I might do some things in my kitchen. There's some things I feel like I could do to make it look just cleaner and nicer. My porch painting shorts might be the right outfit. Okay.
Backseat on 79.
I don't have a plan. Okay, so I'm thinking it would be nice to have a countertop like out here because more counter space because there's not very much right now. I don't really have a plan. I just know that I have this leftover scrap wood from tearing apart a cabinet. And I don't know how I would attach it, but I'm tempted to just take a saw and cut this bit off right here and figure it out as I go. Okay. Crowbar.
If you don't already have an appointment, Uber can also help you find available vaccination sites right here.
As a young girl. As a sophomore.
Weird. There is no plan. Come on, skinny love. I tell you what, it started off with me thinking I was just gonna paint the kitchen floor. This is very much all temporary. This is just a cosmetic upgrade right now. I'm gonna redo the kitchen for real later. Is a rag going to be enough? That's the question, ain't it? Oh yeah, that's not gonna work. Oh my god. You are in the way. I don't like this. I think it looks ugly. To be honest, I did not sand it very well. You know what? It does look better. Fuck it. So watch me go. Always on the run from Captain Hook. Above the top, it never loved me. I realized I finally had found. This is just because the floor is really gross. I really don't think you can tell on camera, but it's just like the floor is just all stained and nasty, and you can see every little piece of dirt because it's white. It's only gonna be a temporary fix, so I don't have to deal with hating it for the rest of my life. Very white. Okay.
When you are holding your breath.
Okay, I kind of love this color. What you say? Here it comes right now. I'm a little drunk. I think I can get it. Alright, here we go. Okay, the floor is drying. I kind of hate it. I kind of hate the color. I got the first coat on, and we're gonna just see what it turns out like once it's dry.
The next summer, we turn 13. In Peleus' shining bronze mirror, I almost did not recognize myself.
You know, my order of operations was not the best. I could have made coffee before. Trying to seal the floor. Here we go.